Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining us for today's CITI program webinar. Today's topic is how to conduct an audit of a Ceded study and is presented by Leslie Howes from Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health. Leslie M. Howes is the Director for the Office of Regulatory Affairs and Research Compliance. She's responsible for overseeing the daily operations for a broad range of research compliance activities for the Harvard Chan School, including animal research, research integrity, and lab and biosafety initiatives. Leslie also oversees the Harvard Longwood Campus Human Research Protection Program, including IRB operations and the Quality Improvement Program. Leslie earned her CIP designation in 2004. She received her BS in neuroscience from Bates College and her master's in public health from Tufts University School of Medicine.
The goals for today are outlined here. First, I'll review some basic reliance terms and the current landscape supporting the reliance process. I will describe for you how to make the most of your data or metrics and parlay that into a smart audit strategy. I'll review some key steps and considerations when auditing a study with a reliance agreement, and we'll examine this from both the lens of the single IRB and as a participating site. Next, I'll discuss challenges and provide some recommendations. And finally, we'll put this all together and walk through some case studies. This first step isn't unique to Reliance, but critical nevertheless. To start, you'll want to assess your Reliance portfolio. Find out what makes it special or unique. What makes Reliance challenging for your organization? What are the pain points or the vulnerabilities? What can you highlight as key features of your Reliance program? All of this data can be valuable when it comes to setting your audit scope. Chances are your broader human research protection program is already collecting and tracking some metrics. So now all you need to do is look at this through the reliance frame. With that in mind, consider collecting total reliance agreements executed, differentiating between your institution's role as a single IRB and participating site. From there, you can examine what these two subsets look like. For example, what types of studies does your institution routinely serve as a single IRB? What types of studies do you routinely serve an external IRB and cede to another? Anything of interest or of note there? You could also track regulatory driver. That said, was the reliance agreement required by the NIH single IRB policy, or perhaps required by the revised common rule? Or was it executed on a voluntary basis, assuming your institution permits this? Collecting protocol-specific characteristics are helpful, including research with vulnerable populations, whether it be pregnant women, minors, or prisoners. Review mode, whether the study is reviewed on an expedited basis versus a convened IRB, may also be insightful. Further, IRB determination-specific features may be of interest, including risk level, waivers, and the list goes on. QA/QI professionals are always thinking about past and ongoing compliance concerns. That's an easy one for us to latch onto. Further, we all likely can identify some others, such as institutional interests, ancillary reviews, or local research context concerns that are important to our particular institutions, and as such, we want to track and monitor over time. Any or all of these ideas taken together can help you paint a more robust picture of your reliance portfolio.
In closing, I also invite everyone to review our content offerings regularly as we are continually adding new courses and webinars in various areas of research, ethics, compliance, and professional development.